What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Today we're going to make a delicious pastrami and cheese panini. We're going to be using the Vevor electric grill, right? It has removable plates in it, which is amazing. So we're going to make Eric a delicious sandwich. It's going to be crispy and melty and everything a pastrami sandwich should be, right? So join me. It's Wednesday. Let's make us a pastrami and cheese panini. So this is the Vevor contact grill. This thing is pretty cool. It has an LED display here. And how this works is there's two grill plates in here. You're going to put your panini on here, a piece of chicken, a piece of fish, a burger, right? And grill it. And it has these removable plates. So you just hit a button, the plate comes out. This is actually dishwasher safe. You do the same with the one here. You take that out. Cleanup is simple with this. So thank you, Vevor, for sending this grill. I'll put a link down in the description if you want to take a look at it. So let me show you the display. So all you do is turn the grill on and you can use one of the presets. So they have frozen food, bacon, chicken, sausage, beef, fish, or burgers, or you can go manual and just control the temp and the time, and then hit OK, and it'll start to heat up. Okay, so we want to slice the bread. You want a nice, hearty, country kind of loaf. You don't want the kind of bread, you know, the bread aisle bread that when you eat it, it basically turns back into dough. You want something that's kind of crusty and sturdy. So we're going to go ahead and slice this. You can slice it like as thick as you want, thick or thin. Because we're going to have like quite a bit of meat on this sandwich, we want decently thick slices. So we have slices like this, right? I'm doing it that thick. And I have a little bread bag over here for this. So we're going to go ahead and I always tell people when you're slicing bread, you just kind of get a rhythm going. Just take it slow, get you a nice bread knife. I'll put links to this one in the description to give you nice, even slices. Awesome. So I'm going to put this in here. And so for our sandwich, I'm actually going to cut these like this. We'll make two sandwiches like this. So let's get the ingredients. Okay, it's panini time. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our bread down here. This one has a nice big hole in it. So that'll be interesting. I'm going to put down... So you could put some horseradish mayo if that's what you like. Eric doesn't want that. I asked him and he said he just wants regular. So one side I'm going to put a little mayo. The other side he wants Dijon.
Sure, why not?
So he gets Dijon. Because it's your sandwich, you dress it however you want, right?
You only live once.
Hey, go for it. You can't put a spicy, grainy mustard. Eric just wants a mild Dijon. And I have some beautiful, this is boar's head pastrami. Yum. Smells really good. I'm using Gouda. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. You want to go double cheese on these, Boo?
I don't know. We'll see if what this thing's capable of, right?
We can put double cheese. I can put a piece of cheese on this side.
Well, you're just trying to clog a hole.
And I can put a piece of cheese on this side. I'll just cut it. So it's like that. And then this one, I'll put a piece of cheese here. And a piece of cheese here. You want tomato though.
Sure.
I'm gonna put the tomato on here. You can, one problem is if you wait, it's hard to get it on with the cheese. And so we have our top.
Yeah.
And the way we're gonna do this, so it will panini up, is we're gonna put some butter on this side, and when the panini gets on there, we're going to put butter on the other side, so I don't butter up my board. Okay, it's panini time. So the grill is nice and hot. I put this on like 170, it's in Celsius. Whoa! Whoa! And we just need a little bit of butter for our top bread. Ooh. And that's panini. Ooh. Let's check on them. Whoa! We have paninis! Whoa, those look amazing. Look at that. Drippy cheese everywhere.
My cheese. Get off.
Whoa! That's what you call a cheesy sandwich. Whoa, 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 whoa. Mm-hmm. So look at how easy this cleans up with the nonstick. These are actually dishwasher safe, but they clean up so easy. Just let it cool, run it under some sink water, and it's clean. Well, this is good. We could cook something else on here right now. But yeah, look at how easy that cleans up. So it's sandwich eating time. Mm-hmm. So these are looking mighty fine. Nice crispy bread on there. It's not soggy. Listen to that crunch. Mm-hmm. Woo! Now that is panini time. You want to come over and give these a little tasty, Boo?
Maybe.
You want to taste it?
Maybe. Bottoms up. Feels crunchy.
Ooh, it looks good.
Hot.
I can't have it because I can't have cheese. It's hot? It's a hot pastrami panini.
Mm-hmm. And it's pressed too. I mean, there's no air gaps in there. Oh, hot. Oh,
Looks pretty tasty.
I'm gonna take it somewhere and eat it. Probably see in my igloo or something.
Thank you, Vevor. So, cooks, what's up? It's Wednesday. This was fantastic. Eric's over there enjoying his sandwich, if you can hear him munching.
Yum, yum.
Cheesy. It was nice and crisp. Sandwich was amazing. Vevor, thank you for sending us this grill. It's amazing. You can cook chicken, fish, burgers. It's a great thing to have if you want a quick meal in the evening, because you could just prep some things during the week and have burgers one night, chicken one night, boom, right on here, and it's done. So we had a lot of fun with this. Thank you, Vevor. I'll put links to this down in the description. I hope you have a fantastic Wednesday.